Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Saskia Nur Ramadhani and here's my friends
Langgeng Cipta Lanjarsari.
We will explain the material of
Biomolecular.
What do you know when you hear the word biomolecular? Maybe it will come to mind about biology material.
Here, let me explain. Biomolecular is a branch of science that studies the molecular basis of the activity and organization of living things, especially at the molecular level such as DNA, RNA, proteins, and other biomolecules. This science examines the biological processes that occur within and between cells, including how these molecules interact, are replicated, transcribed, and translated to carry out life function.
Molecular biology focuses on 4 points. 1. The interaction of molecules in living organisms, especially the genetic system and protein synthesis. 2. The process of replication, transcription, and translation of genetic material. 3. Regulation of gene expression and the molecular mechanism that control cell activity. 4. The use of molecular techniques such as PCR, DNA sequencing, and genetic engineering to understand the structure and function of biomolecules.
Biomolecular includes 4 main types of biomolecules that are very important in living organisms, namely, first, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is molecules consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, function as the main source of energy. Example include monosaccharides such as glucose, fructose, galactose, ribose, and deoxyribose. Disaccharides such as maltose and lactose, and polysaccharides such as starch and cellulose. Next, lipids. Lipids is molecules that are insoluble in water, function to store long-term energy, isolate temperature, and form hormones. Example of lipids includes fats, oil, phospholipids, and steroids. Protein. Protein is polymers of amino acids that have various functions, ranging from tissue structure or such as keratin in hair and nails, enzymes, hormones to antibodies. Proteins are composed of amino acids bound by peptide bonds. Next, nucleic acid, molecules that store and convey genetic information, consist of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA ribonucleic acid.
Wait. What about the categorization of nucleic acids?
Well, these nucleic acids are categorized into 2, namely, first, deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. The nucleotides that from DNA include the nucleotides adenine, A, cytosine, C, guanine, G, and thymine, T. These nucleotides from polymers and they are joined through the backbone of phosphate and deoxyribose sugar residues. A always pairs with T through 2 hydrogen bonds, and G always pairs with C through 3 hydrogen bonds. The range of A, T, and G, C hydrogen bonds pairs is almost identical, allowing them to bridge the sugar phosphate chain uniformly. Second, ribonucleic acid or RNA. Unlike DNA, this time the nucleotides that make up RNA are adenine A, cytosine C, guanine G, and uracil U. You can see the difference. Also, what makes it different is that this polymer is held together by a backbone of phosphate and ribose sugar residues.
Biomolecules also include small molecules such as vitamins, hormones, neurotransmitters, and primary metabolites, as well as other biopolymers such as lignin in plants.
But I don't know yet how to apply biomolecular in real life.
Let me explain. The application of biomolecular in everyday life is very broad and covers various fields, especially talc biotechnology and molecular biology. Some examples of its application are 1. Health sector. This is diagnostic using biomolecular techniques such as PCR to detect DNA or RNA of pathogens. For example, virus that cause COVID-19, hepatitis, and tuberculosis. 2. Agriculture and animal husbandry sector. Development of transgenic plants such as golden rice, which is rice in beta-carotene to increase the nutritional value of food, breeding of poultry and livestock using biomolecular techniques such as DNA analysis to produce superior seeds with high productivity and efficient maintenance. 3. Industry and environment. Utilization of biomolecularly engineered microorganisms in the food fermentation process. Tempeh or tape was processing and enzyme production for detergents.
In the field of biomolecular studies, there are various analysis techniques, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, PCR is very fast, sensitive, and specific, but it requires expensive equipment. This technique is widely used for DNA detection and genetic disease diagnosis. Next, Western blot is accurate for protein analysis, although it is complex and time-consuming. ELISA is easier to perform and provides quantitative results, but it is prone to technical errors. It is commonly used to detect antigens or antibodies. Meanwhile, DNA sequencing provides very detailed genetic information, but it is more expensive and takes longer. This technique is often used in genome research and forensic studies. Based on the diagram, PCR is the most widely used technique in research laboratories at around 40%, Western blot follows with 25%, then ELISA with 20%, and DNA sequencing with 15%. This shows that each technique plays an important role, depending on the research need and analysis objective.
Thank you for
Thank you for
watching.
watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye bye.